So we're back at the stove, and I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of butter. And you know, one thing about old Southern cooking, it's kind of hard to have a recipe because the recipes are learned as you watch. Alright, now that I've melted my butter, I'm going to add my apples. And just a dash of salt. Ooh. Somehow I missed an apple. I'll get that one taken care of. But we want to add a dash of salt. Just a little bit. Do you have any cinnamon? Just a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of brown sugar. Alright, now that I have my brown sugar, apples, a little bit of white sugar, and a dash of salt in there, mix everything around. And that was 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cover that with a lid and let it simmer for a little while. Alright, so the apples are simmering on medium here. So I let them simmer. It was probably about 8 to 10 minutes. I should have timed it, but that's part of the Southern cooking thing. Alright, so the apples are nice and soft, and so you see the sugar and the butter and the liquid from the apples have formed a nice sauce. So I'm going to turn it on low at this time, and now I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon, not too much. I had an instructor in one of my culinary courses who was from France, and he would say, you just want to add a dash of cinnamon to your apples. Otherwise, it's not apple pie, it's cinnamon apple pie. So in America, we love bold flavors for sure. So, alright, our apples, you know, I think I'm going to give them just a couple minutes on low. Just about 2 minutes, because a few of those apple chunks are a little harder than I like, but not too long, just 2 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes, and the apples are ready. So, I like to serve my apples over biscuits. So just take a nice little scoopful there and a little bit of sauce, and there you have it, fried apples. Thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you.